Hey, it's Setchi here, and today I'm going to be doing the first in a multi-part series on the nuances of tech chasing that aren't documented in places like Gravy's Tech Chasing Like a Man Smashboards thread. Go read that thread and watch the 20GX tech chasing tutorials before watching this video. The first topic I'll be going over is the more simple one, and the one that applies to characters outside of Falcon 2. I'll be going over crouch tech chasing when your opponent misses their tech. You've likely seen Wizrobe use this a lot already, but you'll want to crouch tech chase when you see your opponent miss their tech if you don't have time to cover the missed tech with an aerial and still tech chase, such as out of a throw, and they're consistently SDIing or ASDIing out of your jab resets. Jab resets on Spacies give them fewer wake-up opportunities since they cannot get up attack from it, but it allows them to SDI out, which is risky as they only need one SDI input. Instead, you crouch on reaction to their missed tech and then react to their get up option. If they regular get up, you'll need to jump cancel grab or shield grab, since you cannot grab directly from crouch. Regular get up takes more time than tech in place, so you'll have more frames to be able to jump cancel or shield grab. However, rolls from missed tech take less time than tech rolls, so you're not able to stomp them on reaction. Instead, you'll want to dash jump cancel grab or dash instant up air them. To dash out of crouch, you'll want to do a quarter circle motion along the rim of the case. Essentially, move the control stick from straight down to the diagonal notch, then to the horizontal notch very quickly. The key part of this is to do it very quickly, and you'll want to practice this. However, this is controller dependent, and Taucan says that holding slightly up from straight down, then moving the control stick straight to the horizontal notch is better for some controllers. Test which method works better for yours. Lastly, if your opponent get up attacks, then you should crouch cancel and punish. You can punish with crouch cancel grab, crouch cancel stomp, crouch cancel raptor boost, and crouch cancel knee among other options. Crouch cancel knee is especially good in corners as you can double knee if they DI in. Keep in mind that as your percentage increases, you'll get knocked further back by get up attacks. Also, at higher percents, you'll get knocked down by get up attacks. You'll be knocked down by most characters and still get up attacks at 107%, but some characters have stronger get up attacks like Puff. You can check when those knock over using INE data. When you're over this percent, try to shield the get up attack on reaction. The reason you may choose to crouch tech chase over trying to power shield the get up attack is because it's far easier on your reactions, but has a greater execution test in dashing out of crouch. You'll take get up attack damage as well, which is why it's important to punish hard if they get up attack. That's it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.